Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I decided to switch things up a bit. I decided to straighten my hair. Do not freak out. It's October now. It's almost the end of October and I have not straightened my hair since I think February or January. So let's all just relax. I feel like this is going to be okay. I know how to do this so that it doesn't damage my hair. I want to show you guys how to do this so it doesn't damage your hair, hopefully. But everyone's hair is different. If you have very fine hair, then your hair is probably going to be a lot more susceptible to heat damage. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And fine hair does not mean straight hair. Fine hair does not mean not a lot of hair. Fine hair literally means the strands of hair on your head. Take an individual strand. How thick is it? Is it thick or is it fine? Mine is kind of medium, so I have an average risk of heat damage. So this is what I do to kind of rein it in a little bit. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. I do a lot of hair care, beauty, lifestyle, and yeah, that's me. Let's go ahead and get onto the video. Okay, let's just get this out of the way right at the start because it needs saying. The best way to protect your hair from heat damage is to not apply heat to your hair, period. But if you're feeling like you just want a little bit of variety, which everybody does, like variety is the spice of life, that's part of the fun of having curly hair, is the versatility. So if you do feel like you want to straighten your hair once in a while, like I do, then just make sure that you do not use your straightener. Just try to not use your straightener on the highest setting. So I'm taking mine down from 450 Fahrenheit down to 370 Fahrenheit. Is around about 180 degrees. We'll see how this goes. I may need to put it up a little bit. 180 degrees Celsius, sorry. In the UK we do Celsius, don't worry about it. I think everywhere does Celsius actually except the US. So yeah, I may need to put this up to 390 Fahrenheit, which is 200 Celsius, but we'll see. I don't want to go any higher than that. And of course, make sure you're using heat protection as well, because just why you need to be using heat protection. This one is the VO5 Heat Protect Serum with Illuminating Shine for Frizz Control. So it says to use on damp or dry hair, rub a few drops between palms and apply from mid-length to ends before heat styling. And this also helps to tame frizz and flyaways, which if you are a curly haired girl, then that is like one of the main things that we like struggle with, especially towards the ends of your hair when you've straightened your hair and you want it nice and sleek and you still have all these flyaways and frizzy bits. So this actually helps to tame frizz and just like smooth down those flyaways so we can have that really sleek look. And don't worry, my hair is not this short either. My hair is this long. Bam! Leave me a comment down below. Tell me when was the last time you straightened your hair, and are you gonna do it after this video? Are ya? All of the products are linked down below, so make sure to check them out. So you want to take thin sections of hair like this. I know there's a lot of hair straightening tutorials online, but if this is the first time you have ever seen a hair straightening tutorial, then I need to tell you guys that you cannot just take a big clump of curly hair and straighten it all at once. Like you see some people doing, they will just run a straightener through their hair if they've got like straight hair or whatever. You can't do that with curly hair. You have to take thin sections like this. Probably even thinner than this, probably this big. Then I want to put this onto every single section. I'm not messing around with just running a drop through my entire head. That's not going to work for me. I want to protect my hair. And I'd rather apply too much product and leave my hair looking slightly greasy than not apply enough and end up with heat damage, you know? So we need to really take care of our hair. There's a whole bunch of junk in the back of this video. I'm sorry about that. Just one drop. I'm going to do one drop per section. Oh, and brush your hair out. I did not put any curling products on my hair when I washed my hair, so my hair is actually really easy to brush through. So yeah, it makes a big difference to not put curling products into your hair if you're trying to straighten it, because all of those products that are about definition and whatnot, they will make it hard for your hair to go straight. So let's not do that. So yeah, all I have in my hair is just like some hydration mist. That's all. And now some heat defense. Oh, and this brush is from New Me. I love it because it just makes it so easy to hold your hair straight. And you don't burn your hands. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing with the rest of my hair now. just want to go ahead and section your hair again. Just take down another chunk. So I like to take down a pretty big chunk and then I just like separate this like as I go along instead of like constantly tying my hair up and tying it back down again. I just take a big bit and I will just take sections as I go. That's just the way that I've done it. So then when I'm done, what I do, like this is what I always used to do when I used to straighten my hair all the time, is I twist my hair like this into little kind of Bantu knot buns. Bantu buns? And I leave it like this until my hair kind of settles down. Because I don't know about you guys, but for me, like as soon as I straighten my hair, it's gonna be kind of frizzy, it's gonna be kind of puffy, because I think the whole action of like using the brush and the straightener, like no matter how much you try to use static free, I feel like my hair does just always go a little bit static and it doesn't really calm down until I've had my hair like this for a little while. And then when I'm done this, I'm gonna add like some more curls using the heat straightener, and then we'll have the final result after that. So yeah, this is just how I leave my hair for a little while. So it's been a minute, literally only like 5 minutes, not long, but like you guys can already see how much my hair's settled down. It looks so much smoother now. I love it, I like it a lot, but I want to add like some curls, like some actual curls to my hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit more heat defense. And now we're gonna do some curls. It's curl time. So the way you do that is you literally take your straightener and you just twist it like this. Okay, so that's my hair done. I'm happy with it. So if you like this video, please remember to thumbs it up. It really helps me out. It really helps other people to see this video. If you think this video is helpful or not, I don't know. I hope you did. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more from me. I really hope you do. That's it. I just really hope you do. And yeah, that's everything for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.